Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be looking at tutorial sheet 3, question 2. If you're new, please hit the subscribe button. Welcome. And do not forget to hit the notifications so that you are aware whenever I post a video. So let's proceed. So question 2. A says you have to evaluate the limit of x to infinity of x squared minus 1 over x squared plus 1. What we're going to do is we're only going to consider the x's with the highest degrees, and we're going to completely ignore these, the minus 1 and the plus 1. So we're going to have the limit, the limit of x to infinity of x squared over x squared. So at this point, we're going to replace the x with infinity. We're going to have infinity squared over infinity squared. Now, anything divided by itself is 1, naturally. So this will give us 1 in total. So that is the answer to this particular question. So question 2, or should I say B, is the limit of x to infinity of 4x squared minus x minus 2 over 5x squared. 5x squared plus 4x plus 1. So again, we're only going to consider the values with the highest degrees or the highest powers. So we're going to have 4x squared over 5x squared. And then we're going to look, so now we're going to replace the x with infinity over infinity. I keep messing that up. So the infinities will cancel each other out. They'll become 1. But we're not going to write them down as 1. We'll just leave them as canceling each other out. Then you're left with 4 over 5. And that is your answer. So next is C, which is the limit of t to negative infinity. We're going to have t squared minus 2 over t squared plus t minus 2. So again, this is plus 2. Again, we're only going to consider the highest degrees. So t to negative infinity over t squared over, this is actually cubed. This is cubed, So t squared over t cubed. So if we replace the t's with negative infinity, we are going to have these are, so negative infinity squared is going to be a positive value, so positive infinity over negative infinity cubed. So any negative number which is cubed, which is multiplied by itself 3 times, is going to be a negative value. So here, these will cancel each other out. They become 1s. So we're basically having a 1 over a negative 1. And that is the same. 1 divided by negative 1 is -1. And that is the answer for this question. So as you can see, these limits to infinity are extremely simple. Just remember that you just have to consider the highest degrees. So the last one, which is D, which is a limit of x back to infinity of x squared plus 2 over the square root of 9x squared plus 1. So this one, due to the complexity of the way it's been arranged, of the way this function is, we're going to have to simplify it. So x to the limit of infinity, we're going to have x plus 2 over, so this, what is the square root of 9 and x squared? So the square root of 9 is 3. Square root of x squared is just x. And then the square root of positive 1 is 1. So this is the less complicated version of this. So at this point, we're going to replace the x's with infinity. So we've got infinity plus 2 over 3 open brackets infinity plus 1. So this plus 2 and plus 1 are not really going to be considered. We're going to really just forget about them. We're going to just look at infinity over 3 times infinity. So this infinity and this infinity will cancel out as 1, and then the infinity again at the bottom will cancel out as 1. So this overall becomes 1 over 3. And that is how we answer question 2 of tutorial sheet 3. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Good night.